welcome to another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. Today I'm here to show you a fairly simple job that can increase the energy efficiency of your windows. I've made my own draft stopping barriers out of vinyl and Velcro. I've got the Velcro here, I put on each side, and I've attached a vinyl sheet. This gives me my draft stop that's a reusable. I can reuse them every year. The cost is a bit more than buying those draft stop kits. But year after year, this will prove to be a much better investment. It'll be cheaper in the long run. A lot of complaints about those draft stopping kits is they use a double-sided tape, and the double-sided tape almost always wrecks the frame when you're pulling it off. It pulls the paint off. You got to paint it every couple of years. Whereas this is a permanent Velcro I've installed that isn't that noticeable, but it does the same job as having one of those kits. There's a couple of terms you want to familiarize yourself with. One is the R value, and the other is the U value. Depending on the type of windows you have, putting something like this over your window can save you a bunch of money on heating costs over the winter, because it will increase both your R value, because of the space we create in the window, and the U value, which will decrease the amount of air that can penetrate out, from the gaps through the frame. So that it can decrease quite a substantial amount of money. If you have single pane windows, then it can be upwards of 30% savings, because your windows are that much of an energy loss. If you have a double pane window like me, the savings isn't going to be as much, but we're still looking around the 5 or 10% mark. I still look at that as being worth the cost and energy of doing this, because not only are we going to be saving energy when we do this, which is good for the environment, we're going to be saving money every year. So it's totally worth the effort. There's a few things that we're going to need when we do this job. Number one is going to be the vinyl sheet. I got a 20 mil vinyl roll. I think I got about 4 or 5 meters of it for half price. There's a store called Fabricland near us, and there's this 1 or 2 Saturdays a year they do 50% off on everything in the store. So I was able to get these for get it for about half price. The second is I built a frame that I put around the window, and I used 2x2 wood to make this frame, and I painted it white, so you'll need some white paint. And the next thing you're going to need is the Velcro. Now the Velcro can get a little expensive. So I bought it at Home Depot. It came in 1-inch roll, and I cut it down to size. I actually, so that way I cut the lengthwise the entire roll, and I was able to just get this half-inch piece of Velcro, and I was able to double the amount of Velcro I was getting out of that roll. So it makes it a little cheaper. And the last thing you need is caulking, because after I put the frame up, I had to caulk all around the frame of the window. And that makes it so that just all those extra little gaps that are created by putting the frame in, that way the caulking doesn't let any extra air through the gaps in the frame that I've built. Now, you might not need to build the frame depending on your window. I built the frame because I needed the extra. First off, I wanted to increase the amount of space between the window and the vinyl, and second, I wanted a good solid place to attach my Velcro. Originally, I planned on just using the double-sided tape in the Velcro. It's pretty strong, but it wasn't strong enough. I had to add a few staples on the areas. I may still glue this as well. On the vinyl, the Velcro, it's really strong. The double-sided tape works perfect for sticking to this type of material. It won't ever come off of there. It's really on there. So, like I said, this is a great thing to make. It's fairly simple, and I'll show you what the vinyl sheet looks like when I take it off the window, just to give you another view. I don't recall exactly what I paid per window, but I think it was somewhere around the $30 to $40 mark per window. So over the course of 4 or 5 years, this is going to save you money. If you're already buying these kits to do the draft stop, you're already spending between $10 and $15 per window to do that. So this is this is something that's going to be a little more durable, something that will last longer, and can be used year after year. Saving money and energy, that's the number one thing of Bob's Odd Jobs. So let's take a look at what the actual vinyl looks like when I move it to the... This is one of my sheets of vinyl that I use. And like I said, I just built the frame, I rolled out the vinyl, and I cut it exactly to the dimensions of the frame. And then I attached the Velcro all around the piece of vinyl. And it gave me this perfect sheet of vinyl. And now I can take this piece and I can roll it up for the summer. And that's it. Thanks for watching another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. My whole goal here is to try and save energy, save some money, and be good for the environment at the same time. Let's fix the things we have or make them better any way we can. Let's invest a little bit of money to save a little bit of money. Thanks for watching another episode. Please subscribe if you liked the video. I've got lots in the channel. Have a great day. Take care.